When your Hisense TV remote stops working, the first step is checking the batteries. This solves most remote issues and is the quickest fix to try. Use a battery tester or multimeter to check if your batteries still have power. Fresh alkaline batteries should read 1.5 volts. Always replace both batteries at the same time with the same brand. Next, test if the remote is sending infrared signals. Point your remote at your smartphone camera and press any button. You should see a purple or white light from the remote's infrared LED. If you don't see any light, the remote's infrared LED has likely failed and needs replacement. If you do see light, the problem is probably with the TV's infrared sensor. Clean both the remote's infrared LED and the TV's infrared sensor. The TV sensor is usually located at the bottom center or side of the TV. Use a soft, dry cloth to remove dust and debris. Finally, perform a physical reset of the remote. Remove the batteries for 60 seconds, then press and hold the power button for 30 seconds to drain any residual power. Reinstall fresh batteries and test basic functions. These basic troubleshooting steps resolve most Hisense remote issues. If your remote still doesn't work after trying all these steps, the problem may require advanced troubleshooting or hardware replacement. When basic fixes don't resolve your Hisense remote issues, advanced troubleshooting methods can help. First, let's address Bluetooth remote repairing, which solves many connectivity problems with smart remotes. Different smart TV platforms require specific troubleshooting approaches. Let's examine solutions for Android TV, Roku TV, and Vita systems. For Roku TV models, use the Roku mobile app as a temporary remote while troubleshooting. You can also repair the remote through settings and check for Roku OS updates. Vita platform users can access the service menu to reset remote settings and update firmware. This requires entering a specific service code. When your physical remote fails completely, several alternative control methods can keep your TV functional. Smartphone apps provide the most convenient backup solution. Physical TV controls provide a reliable backup when all remote options fail. Most Hisense TVs have power buttons and navigation controls built into the TV itself. These advanced troubleshooting methods and alternative control options ensure you can always operate your Hisense TV, even when the original remote fails completely.